Well, dear friends, my first vinyl record comes from the United States, thanks to Mom's house. And this is something very excitement for me, big excitement. Whew. Oh, dear friends. Wow, here it is. Stranger in my own country. Wow, 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 wow. Stranger in my own country. Vinyl. Beautiful, beautiful. Only two of them in the world. Look at it. And now the time is here, so let's put it and see what's going on.